If you are watching this video, you must be generating leads on Facebook or Google, and you must be wondering how to convert these leads into customers. Real estate agents and real estate business owners are the ones who struggle the most with this issue. Apart from them, B2B businesses and other high ticket product based businesses also face the same issue. So in this video, I am going to give you an amazing method to nurture your leads and convert them into customers. Also, this method is completely free, so you can try it without a second thought. To execute this method, I'll show you how to use two free tools to nurture your leads. Free tool number one, CRM. You may be getting leads from many places like Facebook ads, Google ads, website, or through word of mouth. And it's difficult to collect all these leads in one place and take regular follow-ups if you do not have a dedicated system of lead nurturing. This is where a CRM, customer relationship management software, comes in the picture. With a CRM, you can collect all your leads and store information about them in one place. A CRM gets connected with all your platforms, so as soon as your prospects fill your form, it will show up in your CRM. So you can contact your leads as soon as possible. Without this, your leads may forget about you or your products, or your leads may change their mind. These CRMs cost a lot, but since I have promised you a free lead nurturing tool, I recommend that you use HubSpot CRM. On this CRM, you can store unlimited contacts for as long as you want. It also integrates with all the popular online channels like Facebook ads and Google ads. So you can contact your leads as soon as possible. Okay, now enough talk. Now I'll show you how easy it is to work with HubSpot. Here you can see that I have two apps installed on my phone. The first one is HubSpot app and the second one is Facebook ads application. First, I'll open Facebook ads application to show you one of my lead generation campaign. Here you can see my first campaign which says 4 on Facebook leads and 5.52 rupees per on Facebook lead. So here I have generated 4 leads using Facebook ads. Now I'll go to HubSpot app to show you how to contact these leads. Here you can see 4 leads or contacts. Once you have these contacts, you can click on each one of them to get more information about them, or to call them, email them, or SMS them. Notice that you can do this all without saving the contacts individually on your mobile phone. For instance, once you click on call icon, you can call them without saving their mobile number. After the call, you can add more information about how the call went, or you can add a task or reminder to take a follow-up from them. So that's how you can nurture your leads using HubSpot. You can find the link to HubSpot CRM in the description. I have also added a link to HubSpot CRM's free course so you can learn more about it. Free tool number 2, email marketing. If you have worked in sales, you'll understand that most of the times customers do not get converted on the first call. So you have to be in touch with them in case they want our services later. This is where email marketing tools come in. Email marketing tools lets you send automated emails at regular intervals to be in touch with your leads. If you keep sending meaningful emails to your leads long after you first contacted them, then they'll remember you and will reach out to you whenever they are ready to buy your products or services. To send these automated emails, I recommend that you use Sendinblue. You can store unlimited contacts with Sendinblue, and you can send 300 emails every day free of cost, which is enough to get you started. If you want more emails, you can get it for a little extra cost. The feature that differentiates Sendinblue with other email marketing tools is its free automation feature, which lets you send automated emails to your leads. It also gets connected to HubSpot to sync all your leads from there. Another amazing feature of Sendinblue is automated SMS. With this feature, you can combine your automated emails with automated SMS. For instance, if you see that your leads are not opening your emails, then you can start sending automated text messages to these leads. Now, final word. In conclusion, I'd like to say that if you use a CRM and an email marketing tool together, you can convert more leads into customers. With this setup, your ads will keep running on social media platforms and you will keep getting leads on your CRM, so you can call them immediately. And these leads will get regular emails and text messages from you as well. By the way, this is not the only way to nurture your leads. Some businesses do email marketing first, then generate leads through email. For instance, IT companies offer free ebooks and white papers on emails, and then they promote their products and services to generate leads through follow-up emails. So you can play around with these tools to build your own system to nurture leads. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any other question, you can leave a comment. I'll reply there itself. Thank you for watching.